most beautiful resort I have ever seen in my life. It's in a valley on the banks of a river surrounded by hills. Moreover, it's colored with natural flowers. See this very contrast coloring combinations. This resort looks like a beautiful painting. See the beauty of this resort. It's a small resort having only 8 cottages but a unique one, so we can call it as a boutique resort. Yes, it's none other than Dirang Boutique Cottages in Arunachal Pradesh and is affordable to normal travelers in 3-star segment. It's one of the best boutique resorts in India.
So now we are in front of these cottages of Dirang Boutique Cottage.
It will beat any Euro countries along with Switzerland.
Our second day of Northeast tour started by 10 o'clock in the morning. From Guwahati, after visiting the Ma Kamakhya temple, we reached Bhalukapong, the border between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, by 4 in the evening. At that time, they told us that there was a landslide in between Bhalukapong and Bomdila, and it will take more than a day to clear it. So, we were forced to reroute through Orang, which resulted in extra 100 kilometers drive during night time. It was really a dangerous drive, a strange route and heavy fog. After a long hectic drive of almost 14 hours, we reached the Dirang Boutique Resort by 12:45 in the midnight. We were tired, so we completed the check-in formalities immediately, then rushed to our rooms. The rooms of this Dirang Boutique cottage is small but beautiful. We took a twin bed room. After a speedy fresh up, we returned back to this restaurant to take our dinner in the morning time. Even during the night time, the resort seems to be very colorful, but we couldn't able to enjoy that.
Now we are inside this Dirang Boutique Cottage. So we landed here around 1 a.m. After a long journey from Guwahati. We started from Guwahati by 10 o'clock in the morning after visiting this Ma Kamakhya temple. So on the way we had a landsliding, so the road was blocked, so we were rerouted and reached here very late. So early morning 1 a.m. we just reached this very nice cottage, Dirang Boutique Cottage in Dirang, and they gave us a good dinner which we ordered earlier on the way.
We got this for our dinner. It's really hot. Rice, onion, green chili, sabji and pickle. We felt more taste because we were very hungry.
So we will show you how this beautiful resort is and how the ambience and how the view is. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.
Another feature of this Dirang Boutique Cottage resort is all our lady staffs, including the owner. See Mrs. Sang Drama, owner of this resort, who is here in this resort by taking care all our needs. And they are doing their duties very sincerely, even it is in off timing.
Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Trips and Tips. So now I am standing in a hanging bridge. The hanging bridge which goes to this Dirang Boutique Cottage. Yesterday we reached here. Yesterday not, today morning only, about 1 o'clock in the morning we reached in this resort. Very late. So at that time we couldn't able to see what the atmosphere, what the surroundings of this resort is. So I'll show you how the view from the resort, how the ambience and how the surrounding is. It's really amazing.
This is the beautiful Dirang Valley and river. You can see that this valley and river is in between two big mountains. This hanging bridge which connects both sides of this river is the only one way we can reach this Dirang Boutique Cottage. You can see the multicolored flags everywhere. It's a typical Arunachal Pradesh or typical Buddhism flags. So this bridge seems to be very beautiful and colorful.
So we just crossed the river through this hanging bridge, and we just entered the gate, the entrance of the Dirang Boutique Cottage.
From here onwards, from the gate to the reception, you can see the colorful garden everywhere, colorful flowers, very contrast colors.
So this is the reception building. So we have to walk some 50 to 60 meters from the gate to reach this reception building. So the way is beautifully decorated with the natural flowers, yellow and orange flowers. It's a nice garden it is. So this is the reception building. This is the view what we are getting from the front side of reception. So we can see the flowers. So after the boundary of this resort wall, you can see the river is going on there.
So one more thing you have to notice that right now the time is only 6 o'clock in the morning. Here the sunrise is happening before 5 o'clock. See this amazing beautiful view of this Dirang Boutique Cottage Resort. It's so simple, nicely decorated with natural flowers and trees. It looks like a painting. Damn sure it can compete with any other resorts even in European countries.
So now we are in front of these cottages of Dirang Boutique Cottage. So it's having a very beautiful view with colors and everything. They have 4 buildings, 4 cottages. Each cottage is having 2 rooms. So I think total 8 rooms they have. So let us go and see.
See these flowers, contrast in color, beautifully arranged. We can see the nicely placed orange trees are surrounded by these flowers. This ambience is really nice, mesmerizing. We can't able to show it to you in full. You have to come here and stay here for minimum 2 nights to experience this Dirang Boutique Cottage. Now we have affordable cold climate over here. All together we are getting a very nice experience and feeling.
You can see the cottage behind me where we stayed yesterday night. It's a small but beautiful, some speciality it is having. It's budget construction, but it's beautifully arranged, nice location, and it's new construction also. It's good.
This is a twin bedded room, small but simple. It's never a posh one. It doesn't have a TV too. But you can enjoy your time as you wish. You can sleep, can do yoga, you can do bed watching, and so on. I don't know how many times I walked through this passage. Enjoyed each and every moment. Actually, we did a big blunder. We stayed here only for 8 hours. Can you imagine that? So, I was not aware that this resort is this much beautiful. So, we took this plan. That's why I am advising you have to stay here minimum for 2 nights to enjoy this Dirang and Dirang Boutique Cottage in full. If you spend some time on the hanging bridge, you can see the people of this Dirang, typical Arunachal people. Actually, I would like to communicate with them, but the language is a big issue here. So, we have to vacate from here by 9 am and to visit Dirang Monastery before proceeding to Tawang. On the way to restaurant, we met one guest and collected his feedback about this Dirang Boutique Cottage and Northeast tour.
I mean, it's really awesome, and I mean, people speak about, say, the Euro countries and Switzerland, but if you visit Arunachal in from October 15th till December, the scenarios in different seasons is really going to be awesome, and it will beat any Euro countries along with Switzerland. That I can say you straightforward. I am Nirman Hajra. She is my wife, like Tanya Hajra. Dirang Boutique Resorts is very nice, but I think there are certain areas which they need to work upon. First of all, see, like here the sun sets at around 5 o'clock.
Yes.
And after that it's pitch dark. And so, I mean, whoever is coming from the plains, like people from Kerala or from West Bengal or from Assam, so you have to keep those people engaged. Either you have to have a television set in every room. At least they can, watch some movies and watch the news also.
Especially
There should be some kind of
entertainment thing.
probably a snooker board or something like that. The view
View
is
is
very
good.
nice, but just as I have mentioned, like if you want to get awesome views of Arunachal Pradesh, you will have to move out of your room,
Yeah, resort doesn't
move out
matter.
of your SUV and be on your feet. I mean, it will give you awesome views
Okay.
of every destinations.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is the view of the reception cum restaurant building that we are getting from the room. It's a small restaurant but beautiful one, good interior, low cost interior. Had our breakfast, puri sabji and poha. Now the time to say bye-bye to the Dirang Cottage Resort. This is one of the best resort in India. This is one of the best boutique resort in India. Moreover, it is one of the most beautiful resort in India. This resort can compete with any other resorts even in Switzerland. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about this resort, please contact on the below number which given on the description. And same time, please put your comments so it will encourage our to take more videos in this way. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, please do not forget to do the subscription. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and same time press on the bell icon to get the notification from our side.